Okay, so let me stop this. So this is my last box. And here we go. Let's start with one of my favorite items that they managed to fucking put a hole in. And you remember those boxes that I showed you that were left in my bedroom? Yeah, this came out of one. And the knob is a little loose, but hey, it's pretty much intact. Brand new. Why would you take that out of the box? And how the hell did you get a hole in that? Okay. One of the other boxes that they left in my bedroom, all of these CDs came out of that. My blood pressure cuff, I don't know what that is on there. And all my other medicine stuff was in another box. Most of this stuff in here, my clay stuff, and those little plastic type containers you see, that was in a box. I just don't get it. This part of my fucking table is broken. You got some real great people working for you. What else? There was something else. Let me put this someplace safe first. Make sure nobody steps on it. Shoot. Yeah, my wonderful DVD player that was all fucked up, but it only has a few scratches on the bottom. My little Chinese ornaments, broken, as you can see. Yeah, that goes in there. It's supposed to be one piece. So I'm sure all the rest of those are down here and broken. Along with more stuff. Oh, like my very expensive photography lamp. It's down under there. Great. It's great. Wonderful. My party light here at the bottom just dying to get broken up and smashed into bits. And that was my laptop. My other laptop that was on the bottom of the box. Well, I do thank God this isn't broken. These lamps are cheap now, but back when I bought them, they were not cheap. What a mess. Let me set this over here by itself. Well, other than a couple of more knickknacks that were broken, all I'm this was in a box. Why couldn't they just fucking leave it in the box? Why? Damn. Cause me more work, cause themselves more work. Shit. I'm gonna pick up that piece of glass tonight. Wait, my party light, which sounds like it's in pieces. Fuck. Damn. Okay, maybe not. Okay. It's still in one piece. Okay. Glass. Glass everywhere. Damn. Great. Why is it the silliest things mean the most to us? Like now, a piece of broken coral. And I'm sure you feel the same way about your belongings. You know, when precious people give you precious things like that from probably someplace you're never going to go to in life, you want to take care of it. Brother. Shit. Okay, I need to get over here somewhere. Oh, yeah. I don't know what this goes to. It looks like one of the parts that they broke off my printer. Oh, let me go show you that. As well as a few crystals. Now, it doesn't look like much to you, but that cost me $25, okay? So, I don't appreciate them tossing my shit around, breaking it. Oh, I was gonna show you the printer. My printer. Broken. All scratched up. It wasn't like this. I mean, yeah, I know there's dust, but it wasn't like this. So hopefully it still works, because again, I have a business to run, you know, just like you and your business. People are counting on me to do my job. Okay, what else? I am just so fucking exhausted. I'll probably have to make another fucking video. Because I am tired. So, I'll be back. Damn. I just cannot believe all this fucking mess for nothing. For nothing. Got my container boxes. I know it's not much to you, but it holds my tools. Damn, now I'm gonna have to go out and buy something to hold my tools. Shit. Great, there's a perfume top. I wonder if the bottom got broken. Let me put that over here. Okay, well, I'll be back tomorrow with more. Oh, I cannot believe this fucking shit. Oops, sorry. Oops. Oh, there's my blood pressure. My diabetes kit thing. Oh, look, my mirror comes apart now. Isn't that wonderful? I can make it travelable. Shit. Damn, I hope that glues back in there. In any case, it's cracked, so it's not ever going to fit the same now. Yeah, pops right back out. Damn. Oh, shit. Okay, scoot over. Stay there. What's this? Oh, good. I was worried about that notebook. Damn. Okay, I'm not gonna fool with that side because just my luck, cut my fucking self. And they won't care. Give a damn about me sitting here bleeding at 3 in the morning. That looks broke. Okay, they put the tape on it, maybe not. I don't know what else is under there, but I have to take a break because I'm tired. Okay, you move. You go there. You go there so I can now take my blood pressure and my sugar test. Okay. I think that was it. Where's my other, okay. That's crystals, that one's crystals, okay. Well, they were in toolboxes, so those, of course, should be okay. Alrighty, I'll be back tomorrow after I check out the last of that box.